everybody, today is Easter and this is going to be a vlog, but I'm including a what's in Zane's first Easter basket. So this is his basket. It's blue because his nickname is Blue. Yeah, so let's get started. First off, I got this gigantic egg and it just has stuffy in it. So I just thought it was cool because it was an actual toy on a shelf that he could have that wasn't for his age per se. And then he has a bunch of eggs in there with yogurt melts and puffs in them. I found these cottontails which basically dissolve in your mouth, and he's super good at chewing, so got him some of these to munch on, I guess. And then this was at Target. It's like a car, I guess, like a toy car, and it's just a bunny, and it's cute and it's colorful. And this was actually for his age group. It was in the baby section. Just another egg of yogurt melts, another one. And then Grandma or Nana and Papa have this for him at their house, which we're going to their house today, but we needed one for our house because he is obsessed with my phone and he needs his own. Then we got Bubbles, which obviously I'll have to help him with, but I love Bubbles. I want to get a gigantic bubble machine and take a bunch of photos of people in the bubbles, you know? Yeah, that's my dream. And then we have this little bunny with a football, because, you know, Dad and his football. And then this was from Target as well. It's little finger puppets, but we're probably going to use them for the bath because they're that texture. I don't know what the texture is called. And then we got him a Daniel the Tiger book, which Dad found, thank God, because Zane is obsessed with Daniel the Tiger. So, and then we got this book, Peter the Rabbit, which I feel like is a must for every child. So it's pretty long now that I'm looking at it. I don't remember the story at all, but I know that a lot of people have it, and I thought, you know, a rabbit would go well with Easter. So this was from Walmart. I think this was from Walmart as well. This was from Target. This was from Walmart. This was from Target. This was from Target. This was from Walmart, and this was from Walmart. So a lot of our things we've got from Walmart, because Walmart and Target just have everything you need, obviously. This is the Beans basket. So this is the Bean. You can't really see him. I'll show you in a minute, but we're eating breakfast, huh? You're already getting your shirt dirty. You are. More? We're waiting on Adam to get dressed and ready, and then we'll do a video or shoot him opening up his Easter basket gifts. Oh, it's gonna be a very long day, I can already tell. Zane is actually sick. You're sick. He coughed all night and he's been having a runny nose for days. So we're hoping that today goes smoothly. No promises. This always happens. He gets sick on the holidays every single time. I don't understand why. That's your, oh! This is your Easter basket. Ignore his snot. Can you hand me a tissue for his snot? Look, Baba. You got a phone. Oh my goodness, your snot is out of this world. And you got snacks. Ooh, he liked the phone. Here, it's a bunny car. Vroom, vroom. And then you got Bubbles. And finger puppets. And look what's in this big egg. Can you open it? I know bubbles are gonna be too cool. And look, it's Dan. That's your buddy, huh? And I got a little stuffed animal for you. You like it? He's overwhelmed. There's so much stuff. He's like, what the heck? And then we got you a Peter the Rabbit book. You can't have this one though. This is paper. You don't want to ruin it. Do you love it? Do you love it? Them bubbles, man. They're cool, huh? Bean, can you open your egg? Go. Boosh. You got a little stuffed animal in there. You're not a stuffed animal fan yet, huh? Look, this is a mwah. Mwah. So cute. Do you want me to open your phone?
Bean boy.
Oh. Are you okay? I know. The other day he hit his head on the crib and I laughed because he didn't like overreact and he hit it again on purpose. Look at that. That's Dan. Dan, you're the tiger. Terrific. Let's open it. We are heading out to Target. I'm sitting in the car while he goes and gets something. I don't know what. And while he does that, I'm going to fill Zane's Easter eggs with puffs and yogurt bites because he's a baby and I'm not giving him candy. Zane is inside snuggling with Nana while I enjoy the weather. And they talk about tractors. We're gonna do a prank. We're going to tell the kids we put the Easter eggs out, and then we're gonna sit them out here at the Easter egg hunt, and we're not gonna put the eggs out. It sounds so stupid, but it's gonna be hilarious. Okay, I broke the swing. Apparently. It wasn't meant for adults. I'm telling my YouTube how I broke the freaking swing. Literally.
Girl, I was thinking, is it, would it hold me?
I wish you were recording. I literally face planted. Oh my gosh. I'm really butthurt. Frank has begun. We haven't hidden the eggs, and they're searching. No one has realized. We're making it hard, they're easy. Yes. Yeah, we did. Ow. I can physically see an egg right now. And you know what it is? It's y'all's brain because we didn't hide them.
I knew it.
For real now we really got it. Inside napping with Grandpa while we strike hunt, since he can't hunt yet. We're going to see Grandma, actually. We're officially home and giving the bean a bath. He is very cranky, very ready for bed. So I'm gonna end this Easter vlog here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.